Oh, hey guys, so a lot of you have been asking about my cheap eBay toolboxes and how they've held up over the past year. So I wanted to do an update video and kind of go over a few things I've had to do to make them work and a couple issues I've had. So the first issue I had is, as you can see, this toolbox has a lock on it. This one over here, the lock was broken from the day I got it. The key doesn't work. I went back and forth with support a few times, and they did eventually offer me a refund for like 15 bucks, but I didn't respond quick enough, and I ended up losing the ability to get that. But you can buy replacement locks on the internet. So one very common issue I've had is if you spin these around, you can see these little clips that hold this bar in place, brake. One of them is broken. And on this guy over here, they both broke. What I did was I got these little hose clamps and just kind of screwed them in. I actually use rivets so nothing pokes through the inside, and it works pretty good. The only issue is if you look over here, there's a piece right here that keeps it in place. On this side, that piece is broken altogether. So I haven't been able to figure out an easy way to fix that yet. I did try to use a plastic welder and reattach it, but it didn't work, and the second time it broke, it's missing, so I don't know what to do. So I don't know how much weight these can hold. It's very possible I have too many tools and it's just too much weight. I don't know, overstressed it maybe, or it's just really cheaply made, which is probably the case. But it doesn't bother me too much. I don't keep anything really valuable in here, just a few tools and some gloves, and it frees up a lot of space on my truck bed for other stuff. So I hope the video was helpful. If you were wondering whether it's worth buying the cheap ones or the expensive ones, if you're using this for everyday use, a lot of work, I wouldn't recommend them because it does not seem to hold up for very long. I've only had them for about a year, a little over a year, and they're really kind of falling apart. So I hope the video was helpful if you were considering them, and thank you for watching.